Hello, Namaste, and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I'm going to do a general love reading for the sign Aries. Oh my god. Aries people, first of all, I'm going to check your current energy and your partner's current energy, then we'll proceed with your readings. Okay, Aries, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. So Aries, in this reading, we have two cards. These two cards are your current energy, Five of Wands and the Moon. Okay. And this is your partner's current energy, Eight of Pentacles. Alright, so we have two cards, Five of Wands and the Moon. These are your current energy, Aries. It seems like that there is a conflict is going on in your heart and mind. You are not able to understand something in life, okay? Perhaps you are being very confused about certain thing, okay? You wanted to take a solid action towards something, but you're not able to comprehend what is happening around you and what is happening in your life. So that's why you are feeling, you know, there is a lot of conflict is going on. And apart from that, this Moon card is telling me that you feel that somebody is hiding something from you. Okay, you are feeling betrayed, you are feeling cheated, you feel that it could be your person as well, Aries. You must be feeling in that way that this person is not letting me know anything. Okay, this person is not telling me anything, and perhaps you feel that they are cheating on me. Okay, um yeah, so that's why it could for some of you it could also happen that this is the reason this is the reason that why you are feeling this conflict in your heart and mind. Okay, perhaps you are not able to understand what action you should take. Okay, okay, whether you should move ahead with this person, or you should just end this relationship at this point of time, or just right now you just want to end this relationship. So a lot of conflicts is going on in your life, and it's because you feel that your person is cheating on you. That's why you are feeling betrayed, that's why you are feeling sad. Okay, on the other hand, we have Eight of Pentacles. This is your partner's current energy. It seems like your person is somebody who is a very workaholic person. Okay, this person works 24/7. Okay, they have no life apart from their work. It seems like they are somebody who is very much career oriented. Okay, they just want to earn a lot of money, they just want to live a lavish life. That's why they are working really hard. But what I'm seeing is that they are not involved with anybody else. Okay, perhaps they are busy into their own work. That's why they are not they are not giving you enough time or enough space or enough attention. Okay, that's why perhaps that's why you are feeling that this person is hiding something from me. And I'm not seeing any kind of third party situation here. And yes, they are not cheating on you, that's for sure. They are busy in their own tasks, they are busy in their own work, they have some goals in life, they want to achieve that, and they are very hardworking. That's what I'm seeing. All right, now let's see how you guys thinking about each other, or what you feel about each other. The Tower. Okay, wow. So this is your energy, Aries, with this Tower in reverse. You feel that this person must be going through some tough time in life. Okay, perhaps they are not very vocal about their situations or their personal problems, within their social groups, or within their or between their friends. But they are somebody who is very reserved. Okay, they don't like to talk about their personal life. They are somebody who just want to focus towards one thing at a time. Okay, that's why this person is being very busy right now. Okay, so you see them as somebody that something is going on with this person, or something is bothering this person very much. Okay, but the thing is that they are not letting you know this thing as well. Okay, they are not considering you anything in their life. Okay, they are just they are just completely focused towards their own finances, towards their own success, towards their own career. Okay, so yes. On the other hand, 10 of cups, it seems like even though this person is not informing you anything, this person must not be talking to you, but yes, I feel that somewhere in their heart, somewhere in their mind, you are there. Okay, whenever they see you, they feel happy. Whenever they see you, they feel that, okay, yes, if I would like to have a life partner, if I would like to have a better half in my life, then I would consider this person. Okay, that means you. Okay, so with this 10 of cups, they really would like to spend the rest of their life with you. Okay, they really would like to make a home with you. They really like to have kids with you. All right, they have emotions for you, but the thing is that whatever is going on in their life currently, they are not able to concentrate, or they are not able to give you that time which you actually deserve. All right, but it doesn't mean that they are not thinking about you. They think about you, or perhaps they are doing a lot of efforts just to make you happy, or just to provide you well in life. Okay, now let's see what action you guys are taking towards each other. Oh, three of swords. See, I told you in the beginning, you feel that this person is busy somewhere else, and that's why you are feeling that, oh, this is heartbreaking. Okay, they are not letting me know anything. They are not, oh my god, they are not telling me anything. Okay, or they must be hiding something from me, or perhaps they are into somebody else, or they must be into so many multiple relationships at the same time. But that's not the case, and that's why you are feeling heartbroken. All right, you are feeling heartbroken because they are not giving you that time which you want from them. All right, so yes, there is no action from your side, Aries. You are feeling heartbroken right now, and it's completely, I completely understand that why you are not taking any action towards them. The good news is this, that your person is feeling very very happy, and perhaps that I just told you that this person would like to have a family with you. This person would like to have a home with you, okay, this person would like to have kids with you. And similarly, yes, I'm seeing that this person is making a lot of efforts towards you. Okay, perhaps they are not showing it to you. Okay, perhaps they are not acknowledging that thing to you, that hey, I'm doing this thing for you. Okay, I'm if I'm working really hard, it is just that I just want to give you the best to best things. All right, all right. So when it comes to taking action, this person is about to take an action towards you. With this sun card, they already know what they want. They want you. Okay, that's why they are working really hard. Okay, with the sun card, I'm seeing that they are genuinely into you. They really want to take an action towards you. They are doing their best to have you in their life. Okay, they don't want to give you an average life. Okay, or they don't want to give you a mediocre life. They want to give you best to best things in the world. Okay, and you need to understand this thing, that if this person is working towards you or for you, you need to respect that. All right, but yes, with the sun card, I'm seeing that very soon they are going to take some action towards you, and perhaps and yes, they are taking action towards you. What else you want from them? Okay, now let's see what you feel in this relationship, and what they feel in this relationship, or how you feel in this relationship, and how they feel in this relationship. Two of Swords, this is your energy, Aries, and now let's see what your person feels about this relationship. It seems like, Aries, you have made up your mind that you want this person only. Okay, that's why you don't want to see anybody else. All right, you have a lot of emotions about for this person, but you are also choosing to ignore it. Okay, it seems like you are just deliberately ignoring it because you don't want to talk about it, because there is a fear in your mind that the moment you will come forward and talk to your person, or the moment you will talk to him or talk to them, they are definitely going to reject you. Okay, these all are your fears, nothing else. All right, so with this Two of Swords, you have emotions for this person. Yes, similarly, you have emotions for them. Okay, but you feel that it's okay not to waste my time and energy and efforts. You are choosing to close your heart. and I'm very very sure the moment they'll come into your radar, you are definitely going to leave these swords, and you are just you are definitely going to open your eyes. All right. Okay, on the other hand, we have Six of Wands. So your person feels victorious in this relationship, okay? They feel the moment you have entered their life, they feel like a warrior. They feel like a prince. They feel like they have won some battle, okay? Because having you in their life is like a blessing for them. And you need to take it very, very seriously. Do not take it as a joke. They feel blessed to have you. All right, but the thing is that they, even though they have conquered the world in their own way, okay, because you have with them, I mean, you are in their life, okay, but yes, this person has some other goals right now, and you need to respect that. You need to understand that this person has his personal life as well, his professional life as well, and this person is working really really hard to get you. All right, now let's see what is the mutual energy and what is the future potential of this relationship. What is the mutual energy? Page of Cups, and the future potential is Ace of Swords. All right, so yes, I feel with this Page of Cups card, it seems like it's your person who is coming into your life to offer you something. They are genuinely interested about you. They are genuinely into you. They really want to give you something solid in love, something solid in terms of relationship. And yes, this is them. It's them, Page of Cups. They genuinely want to offer you something. And perhaps that's the reason they are working really, really hard. All right. You should not doubt on their hard work, okay? Or if they are not talking to you, that means they are working toward, or they're working for you. All right, future potential is Ace of Swords. This person is going to take an action towards you, that's for sure. Okay, with this Ace of Swords, I'm seeing that this person is definitely going to take some solid action. Okay, this could be anything, not anything, but they are definitely going to propose you in future, or perhaps they are definitely, they can come and directly ask you for marriage. All right, something magical is about to happen for you. Okay, so you need to rework on your mindset. Do not worry, don't think anything negative about this person. All right, they are working towards you. Okay, see, angels are also saying the same thing. It's a yes. It is a yes. Your person is working for you. This person has put all their heart and mind into work just to get you. Okay. So okay, so Aries, I feel that some of you could be dealing with Pisces with this moon card. We have water sign in this reading, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio with this Page of Cups. And we have fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius with this Five of Wands, Six of Wands. Some of you could be dealing with, oh, we have water sign as well in this reading, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio with this Ten of Cups, okay. Some of you must be dealing with earth sign, Taurus, or Capricorn with this Eight of Pentacles. And yes, we have air sign in this reading, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius with this Ace of Swords, Three of Swords, Two of Swords. All right. Okay. So Aries, that was your reading. If any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. God bless you. Bye-bye. And stay home and stay safe, please. Thank you.